Imagine this. You wake up at 40, sipping your coffee on a balcony overlooking the ocean. Your inbox is silent, your time is yours, and the 9-to-5 grind, a distant memory. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the catch. Most people will never experience this. Why? Because they're stuck in outdated systems that don't work. What if there was a way out? Let me ask you this. How much longer can you keep trading your precious time for money? Think about it. Point 1. Define the problem. The majority of people live in a loop. Work, pay bills, repeat. Does this sound familiar? It's a system designed to keep you working for decades, with little to show for it at the end. Think about the time you're sacrificing. Are you okay with spending your life building someone else's dream? If not, it's time to make a change. Actionable point. Write down how much of your paycheck is going to bills and how much is left for savings. This is your first step to understanding your financial picture. After all, even hamsters on a wheel get snacks. What's our reward? More work. Point 2. Establish the goal. Before you make any changes, you need to be clear on one thing. Why do you want financial freedom? Is it to travel, to spend more time with loved ones, or to pursue a passion project? Without a clear goal, it's easy to fall back into the same patterns. So, take a moment and ask yourself, what does your ideal life look like? Actionable point. Write down your top 3 reasons for achieving financial independence and place them somewhere visible. These will serve as daily motivation. Once you know your why, the path forward becomes much clearer, and the next step is where real transformation begins. Point 3. Understand the solution. The key to breaking free lies in making your money work for you. Investing in shares and ETFs is one of the simplest, most effective ways to grow wealth over time. But let's clear up a common misconception. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. The tools and resources are more accessible than ever. Actionable point. Start by opening a low-cost brokerage account and researching index funds or ETFs. Set up an automatic monthly contribution. Even $50 a month can make a big difference over time. And no, it doesn't involve buying into the latest meme stock or falling for Instagram gurus. We've all seen those ads. Point 4. Build better habits. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's the result of consistent, intentional actions. Budgeting is a critical first step, but it doesn't have to feel restrictive. Think of it as aligning your spending with your priorities. Are you investing in your future, or just reacting to every expense that comes your way? Small, purposeful steps add up over time. Actionable point. Track every expense for 1 month to identify where your money is going. Then create a spending plan that allocates at least 20% to savings and investments. But what if you feel like you're starting too late? Don't worry, there's still hope, and it might surprise you. Point 5. Shift your mindset. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about how you think about money. Do you believe that wealth is out of reach for people like you? That's a limiting belief that holds so many back. The truth is, opportunities are everywhere, but you need to be willing to see them. What would happen if you replaced doubt with action? Actionable point. Adopt an abundance mindset by listing 3 financial opportunities you haven't explored yet. Research one of them this week. And let's be real, if your neighbor Doug managed to do it, so can you. No offense, Doug. Point 6. Recognize the urgency. Every year you delay is costing you more than you realize. Compound interest, the most powerful tool for building wealth, needs time to grow. Starting now could mean the difference between retiring comfortably and working into your 70s. can you afford to wait? Actionable point. Use a compound interest calculator to see how much you could save by starting today. Set a financial goal for the next 10 years. But if you're late to the game, don't panic. There's a way to make up for lost time. Point 7. Take action today. What can you do right now to change your financial future? Automate your savings. Open an investment account. Learn the basics of shares and ETFs. Each small action brings you closer to the life you want. The question is, are you willing to start today? Actionable point. Choose one financial action, whether it's cutting a subscription, setting up an automatic transfer, or reading an investment book, and commit to doing it today. So, let me ask you one final question. How long are you willing to wait before building the life you deserve? The future you dream of isn't as far away as it seems, but you have to take the first step. What will yours be? Like and subscribe to FinZest for more life-changing insights.